Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to boost their online presence. We're talking keywords. You know they're important, but are you using them effectively? We'll be discussing the 5 deadly keyword mistakes that could be sabotaging your efforts and how to avoid them. Let's kick things off with a mistake I see far too often: keyword stuffing. You're so eager to rank for a specific keyword that you cram it into your content like you're getting paid by the word. But stuffing keywords into your content is like trying to impress a date by talking about yourself non-stop. It's off-putting, unnatural, and it just doesn't work. Instead, focus on creating valuable, engaging content that naturally incorporates your target keywords. Google's algorithms prioritize high-quality content that provides a good user experience. So, what's the solution? Aim for a natural keyword density. Use variations of your keywords, incorporate related terms, and focus on providing comprehensive information that satisfies the user's search intent. When you prioritize your audience and create content that resonates, the rankings will follow. Let's move on to another critical mistake: ignoring search intent. This is when you're so focused on ranking for specific keywords that you forget to consider what your audience actually wants to find. Imagine searching for best coffee shops and landing on a website selling coffee beans. Not exactly what you were looking for, right? To avoid this mistake, you need to understand the why behind the search. Are people looking for information, products, or something else entirely? Once you understand their intent, you can tailor your content to provide the exact information they need. Look at the top-ranking pages for your target keyword. What type of content are they providing? This will give you valuable insights into what Google considers relevant for that particular keyword. By understanding these different intents, you can create content that aligns with what users are truly looking for, resulting in higher engagement and more conversions. Chapter 3: The Power of Long-Tail Keywords. Now let's talk about a mistake that's costing you valuable traffic: not using long-tail keywords. These are longer, more specific keyword phrases that target a niche audience. Think of it this way: a short-tail keyword like shoes is highly competitive, but a long-tail keyword like best running shoes for flat-feet women targets a very specific audience. The beauty of long-tail keywords is that they're less competitive and have higher conversion rates. Use Google's autocomplete feature to find these golden nuggets. Another powerful tool is a keyword research tool like Ahrefs or SEMrush. By incorporating long-tail keywords into your content, you'll attract a more qualified audience and drive more targeted traffic to your website. Chapter 4: Don't forget local, the importance of local SEO. Now, if you have a local business, this next mistake could be costing you customers: overlooking local SEO. In today's mobile-first world, people are constantly searching for businesses near me. If you're not optimizing for local search, you're missing out on valuable foot traffic. Local SEO is all about making sure your business shows up when someone searches for products or services in your area. One of the most important steps in local SEO is claiming and optimizing your Google My Business listing. Make sure your Google My Business listing is complete and accurate, including your business name, address, phone number, website, hours of operation, and customer reviews. Use local keywords in your business description and add photos of your storefront, products, and services. Build local citations by listing your business on relevant online directories. Engage in local content marketing by creating blog posts or videos that highlight your community. Chapter 5: Stay fresh. Updating your keywords. Finally, let's address a mistake that can make your content stale and outdated: failing to update your keywords. The online world is constantly evolving, and what people are searching for today might be different tomorrow. Your keyword strategy needs to keep pace with these changes to remain relevant and visible. Regularly revisit your keyword research. Use keyword research tools to identify new opportunities, track your rankings for existing keywords, and see what your competitors are ranking for. Refresh your content with updated keywords. Go back to your older blog posts and see if you can optimize them with relevant long-tail keywords or update them with fresh information. By staying flexible and adapting to the ever-changing online landscape, you'll ensure your content remains visible and engaging. Keyword Mastery, it's your turn to rank. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on boosting your online presence. Bye. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing the strategies we've discussed, you can optimize your content and achieve your online goals. Now go out there and conquer the search results.